Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today, we are going to do something powerful and relaxing. You will learn English by listening and shadowing slowly for a full 30 minutes. This method trains your ears, your voice, your rhythm, and your pronunciation, all at the same time. All you need to do is relax, listen carefully, and speak with me when I ask you to. So, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin our slow listening and shadowing session. We will start with simple, slow sentences. Listen first, and then repeat after me. Let your voice move gently. Don't rush. Let your English flow. I am here. I am learning. I am listening carefully. I am speaking slowly. I am improving every day. I can speak English. I feel confident. I feel calm. I can do this. My English is getting better. Good. Slow listening helps you understand the sound of English. Now, let's shadow together. I will speak slowly, and you speak with me, just a little behind my voice. I am ready to learn. I trust myself. I speak clearly. I speak with confidence. I speak with a calm mind. I enjoy learning English. I feel positive. I am getting stronger. I am improving step by step. I am proud of myself. Excellent. Your brain needs slow, relaxed repetition to build strong English habits. Now let's move into simple daily sentences. I will first say them, then you repeat. I wake up early. I drink water in the morning. I start my day slowly. I prepare my things. I go outside. I look around. I breathe fresh air. I talk to people. I do my work. I stay calm throughout the day. Now shadow these sentences with me. Speak with me softly and slowly. I take small steps. I learn something new. I practice English daily. I listen carefully. I speak clearly. I enjoy my progress. I relax my mind. I stay focused. I feel motivated. I am doing well. Wonderful. Now let's move into a small, slow story. Listen carefully. This story will help your listening and speaking flow. There was a man named Alex. Every morning, he woke up early. He stepped outside his house and breathed in the cool morning air. The world felt quiet. The sky was soft. Alex liked this calm moment. He started walking slowly down the street. He noticed the light shining on the buildings. He heard the birds waking up. He listened to the sound of the wind.
These small things made him feel peaceful. He walked to a small cafe near the corner. He ordered a warm cup of coffee. He sat by the window and watched people passing by. Some looked tired. Some looked happy. Some walked fast. Some walked slowly. Alex smiled. He liked watching life move around him. After finishing his coffee, he stood up, stretched his back, and walked to work with a calm mind. His day always started peacefully because he chose to begin slowly.
Now, repeat the story in small parts after me. There was a man named Alex. He woke up early every morning. He stepped outside his house. He breathed in the cool morning air. The world felt quiet. The sky was soft. He liked this calm moment. He walked slowly down the street. He noticed the light on the buildings. He heard the birds waking up. He listened to the wind. These small things made him feel peaceful. He walked to a small cafe. He ordered a warm cup of coffee. He sat by the window. He watched people passing by. He finished his coffee slowly. He walked to work with a calm mind. He started his day peacefully. Good. Now, shadow the story with me. Speak with me slowly, gently, calmly. He woke up early. He stepped outside. He breathed the morning air. He walked slowly. He watched the world. He felt peaceful. He drank his coffee. He smiled softly. He enjoyed the quiet morning. He began his day with calm energy. Excellent! You are doing very well. Slow shadowing builds your English from the inside out. Now let's continue with more slow practice. Listen and repeat each sentence with a calm voice. I listen to English every day. I shadow slowly. I train my ears. I train my voice. I hear every sound. I speak with confidence. I feel progress in my voice. My pronunciation is improving. My listening is getting stronger. I believe in myself.
Very good. Now let's practice short, natural sentences. First, listen, then speak. Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Please repeat that. Please speak slowly. I need a moment. That's okay. No problem. Thank you very much. You're welcome. See you soon. Now shadow these with me. Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Please repeat that. Please speak slowly.
I need a moment. That's okay. No problem. Thank you very much. You're welcome. See you soon. Nice and smooth. Now we will do another short listening story in slow English. Just listen first. Emma loved quiet evenings. Every day after work, she walked to a small park near her home. She sat on a bench and watched the sun go down. The sky changed colors slowly. Orange, pink, purple, blue. She watched children playing. She listened to the soft breeze through the trees. She felt peaceful. This was her favorite time of the day. After the sun disappeared, she stood up and walked home with a smile. Now, repeat after me. Emma loved quiet evenings. She walked to a small park. She sat on a bench. She watched the sun go down. The sky changed colors. Children were playing. She listened to the breeze. She felt peaceful. This was her favorite time. She walked home with a smile.
Now, shadow with me. She loved quiet evenings. She sat in the park. She watched the sunset. She listened to the breeze. She felt peaceful. She walked home smiling. Excellent. You are doing amazing. Slow listening and shadowing helps you feel English naturally. Let's finish with a powerful closing affirmation. Shadow these with me. I learn English every day. I speak clearly. I listen carefully. I grow with every lesson. I am confident. I am improving. I am becoming fluent. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. I will continue learning. Wonderful! You have completed today's 30-minute slow listening and shadowing practice. Your brain is learning the rhythm of English. Your voice is getting stronger. Your confidence is growing. Keep practicing this lesson daily. Slow and steady learning always wins. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I will see you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving.